Namaste and once again welcome to Vrishu. Today I am going to show you a simple experiment. I call it as drip drop bottle. Hope you like it. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Also share with your friends. Materials required for this experiment are a plastic bottle with a lid, a pin, a funnel, water. Make a small hole near the bottom of the bottle using a pin. Fill the bottle till the top with water, holding your finger on the hole. I am using a pin for blocking the hole. Tighten the cap. Water is not coming out from the hole. Now loosen the cap of the bottle and wait for a second. Notice water is coming out now. Tighten the cap once again. Water stops. Loosen and tighten the cap alternately and see what happens. I am tightening now. Now again loosen it and tightening. Did you notice that water comes out only if we loosen the cap? Isn't that strange? There is a hole at the bottom. Why doesn't the water comes out? Shouldn't the gravity be pulling it down? There are many forces besides gravity. Air pressure is a strong force which acts always in such a way that high pressure always moves towards the low pressure. When you tighten the cap of the bottle, water is pulling down, but air in the top of the bottle is becoming a vacuum. That means low pressure. The air pressure outside the bottle is higher, so it actually tries to push into the bottle through the hole. In doing so, it keeps the water in. When you loosen the cap, there is no vacuum, so water is free to flow out of the hole. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.